Hi, I'm Derek Perry, Ace Communications Director.
And I'm Jessica Gardner, the host of the Ace Ride With Us podcast. And we are on Pipeline, which is the brand new coaster here at SeaWorld Orlando. Derek, this is my first time riding this. We've been on it before. It seems like a B&M stand-up roller coaster.
You may think it's a stand-up coaster, but it's actually a surf coaster. It's the first B&M surf coaster in the world, and we're about to launch at 60 miles per hour.
Came off this surfboard. Fun coaster. I can't believe how many times my feet came off the surfboard. Even if you try to keep it down.
Oh yeah, there's no way you can keep your feet on this.
Much fun, amazing airtime. If you love coasters like this, you gotta get down to San Diego. May 28th for passengers. May 27th for everybody who doesn't have a pass. So fun.
That's unlike anything else.